Hey, I'm talking to you. Yeah, I'm talking to you. 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 You humans. I'm talking to you. Yeah, it's a cat that can talk. I know, I'm humiliated, but what can I say? I mean, it's amazing. And yet sometimes frightening. And if you call me stupid, this is what's gonna happen to you. Yeah, scary, isn't it? I know, I'm humiliated, but what can I say? For myself, I'm a cat who can talk. Oh, oh well. That's probably what you're thinking. Mm-hmm. Cat that can talk. How funny is that? Oh, yeah, you're probably thinking this again. The talking cat fell asleep. Oh, well, whoop-de-doo. I love you. I love you. I'm thinking if I should have done those kisses or not. Oh well. It's gone and over with. And now you're probably thinking, oh, the talking cat kissed me. Ah, how sick is that? Get over it, dudes. I'm gonna sign off here in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.